In this episode, AI animates the frontline rush as immune cells stage a synchronized sprint when a sneeze threatens invasion. Platelets surge as tiny traffic cops directing immune cells through a crowded capillary freeway toward the skirmish at the nasal entry. A surprising twist shows fever as a global alarm clock, revving metabolism and teaching the body to burn energy fast. Meanwhile, the brain receives a dramatic adrenaline remix that sharpens focus, turning ordinary thoughts into lightning bolts of action. By dawn, the sneeze ends, but the immune chorus lingers, training memory cells for the next invisible war.